How to integrate Lalal.ai into professional music production workflow. First of all, open your web browser and visit the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, log into your account or create a new one if you are just getting started. Once logged in, you can upload your audio files by clicking on the Select Files button and choosing tracks you want to process. Lalal.ai allows you to separate vocals, instrumentals, drums, bass, and other stems with high-quality AI technology, making it perfect for remixing, mastering, or creating karaoke tracks. To integrate Lalal.ai into your professional workflow, consider using the Lalal.ai API. This lets you automate audio separation within your digital audio workstation or custom software, speeding up your production process. For bigger projects, batch processing multiple files can save time, but keep in mind, this feature requires a premium subscription. Once your files are processed, download the separated stems in your preferred audio format and import them into your DAW for mixing, editing, or further production. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate Lalal.ai into your professional music production workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.